The CC BY NC SA 4.0 license is an open license that gives you explicit permissions to do the following. To share, which means copy and redistribute the material in any format, and adapt, which includes remixing, transforming, and building upon the material. As long as you abide by these terms, the license will not be revoked. BY means attribution, meaning you must give appropriate credit, provide a link to the license, and indicate if changes were made. You may do so in any reasonable manner, but not in any way that would suggest that the licensor endorses you or your use. NC means non-commercial. You may not use the materials for commercial purposes. If you are an instructor in a classroom that requires students to pay tuition, you may still use these materials. You just cannot charge for these as if they were textbooks or lab manuals. Also, if you would like to provide your students with a printed copy, you may do so, but you cannot charge for the content of the materials, only the cost of the printing process itself. And SA means share alike. If you remix, transform, or build upon this material, you must distribute your contributions under the same license as the original from where you took that. There are no additional restrictions, and this license will not be revoked. On the Experimentium.org website, all experiment prompts are under the CC BY NC SA 4.0 license I described earlier. At the bottom of each experiment prompt, you have this text, which says that it is shared under this license and it was authored and curated by myself and Dr. Alani Bohutzis-Brown. If you haven't made any changes to it, this is the only text that is needed, and it will be at the bottom of every downloaded document. If you sign in after you registered for the Experimentium.org platform and you modify your prompt, then in addition to this text, at the end it will also say edited by and include your username. If you use your name as your username for the login, you do not have to change anything, and you may feel free to share the document as needed. For more prompts, edited or default, visit experimentium.org.